Nigeria, the Sabala youth, they have come out angrily because...
No, this is KSF Kelly TV. Hello, my beauties. It's me again, your girl, KSF Kelly, aka G2, the qualified Swakalicious fashionista Kelly. Okay, waiting they happen today. Safarians don't vex, they don't come out, they don't mash out, they don't bounce out. It's not a lie, they don't go gree, Hey, Safarians, me go, not try. The last time Wafarians do their own. Now this time again, now Safarians not come out, they vex, boys they power, boys they vex. They say no, they don't go gree. They must give them food. And they go give them restriction. And they go see me they give boundary. May they not come together. They not agree. They pack themselves. They come out. They say yes, government must give them food. This restriction must end. Everything. I beg you not see the video as the video just the pack and they look the video that they verse.
No food. As you can see, the Sabala youth, they have come out angrily because there is no food, no light, and our government asked us to go in. They did not make any provision for us. No food, no light. UN, they are suffering us. Please, UN, come to our rescue. UN, come to our rescue. They are suffering us. They did not make provision for food, no light, and they are asking us to go inside. UN, please, watch Nigeria.
As the boys and just the vex, my belly sweets me, But this thing now again got me wonder. As other states are actually coming out begging for food, being hungry, everything. And some other states are actually not even doing social distance, but they are packing food. Look at just check this video out how they are sharing food. Check this video how they are sharing food. Can you guys imagine? Look at is there anything like social distance? No. And they are not even like covering mouths. No, they are not. They're not covering their face. So tell me, where is the law? Where is the law of social distance? Cover your face, cover your nose, no whatever, Why some states are actually hungry and some states are actually sharing food in mass quantity. Though even when I say mass quantity, I know say some of them go down the verse, say this is not food where they go share. I understand, but compared to the people that didn't even have none at all, it's not done this way now. And then again, this song come bring me back to this man where they can go shoot the tire. You can imagine, okay, when I see many people know waka. If you not see this video, self, now go wonder. Many people know waka, but people where they in the market who even
my name is Imokwe Henry Jones.
So where they look, shey they not be people.
I'm from Anambra State.
Okay, and then also even as they shoot the man tire, the people see they move.
I was in the
Mona just check as they shoot the matter.
I was going
the man verse. I like us to do this video. Mona see what
to collect money.
Mona just see what in the talk.
As I'm telling you now, the
police they show his face.
All of them are here. The man already shoot my tire. He blow all my 2 tires, and they're saying that I neglect command that the government have given. But as you can see within this area now, you can see all people that are watching and seeing what is happening inside the scene. You can see. Is there any movement? What shows that there is no movement in this particular place? This is market. The market is full. I hide inside this car now. And then because of my life, because I am afraid what is going to happen to me. Already the policeman, you can see him, still videoing me, already shoot 2 times, 2 bullets and shoot my tire down. He shoot my tire and he threatened to kill me. That I ignore government order not to move around. I say, officer, I don't have enough money to eat, but I'm going to the bank. Zenith Bank is just a stone throw there in Umunze. to get money so that I can go stay with my family. These people, see, when I telling them, they told me that I must settle them before I pass. I said, you people don't have conscience on this particular problem we are having now, that you are looking for money, while the fellow police people are contributing to the state government, trying to make peace, trying to help humanity. But they are proud enough telling me that I must roger them. I said they are wicked, that you cannot asking me for bribe to roger you before I will cross and go get money, little money I have in my account. These things these people are doing, they now shoot my tires down. As you can see, people were gathered here. Does it show that no movement in this place? Simply because they want money from me. Can you see people everywhere? This man shoot my tire. You are on live. You are already on live. Go to YouTube. You are live. You will see. You shoot my tire and destroy my car and threatening to kill me even. Look.
So now don't see him, una don't see. And the policeman said, man, sit there, what is your name? And this and that. You know, it's shame. Come on, now waiting government asks you not to do with this. And they ask you people will be police. Now what the government see make una go do? More they shoot people tire because not give you bribe. Must they give you bribe? Ha. Now wow, now they try for this thing. I don't know what's in the law. Whether na law una they follow, abi una they do na own thing for una head though, abi na money we not there. But I don't just know what they do now. Anyway, sha, I don't even just the thing just they vex me. Okay. Dupe markets don't burn. Dupe market burn the thing. We don't even know what even they happen, sure. Because now come like now only fire. We never burn the fire. Give me plenty water. Make I quench his fire. Call now only fire and I call the burn for Nigeria. We never call you. Today go say na here the burn. Next tomorrow na say na secretary office go burn. When I saw work go burn, na mistake it come off my mouth. Workers now, that's workers gather. Workers now don't gather. They say they need their money because Chinese company not going pay them. First, they're even paying them very little. Wait, to both first. And they wonder for Nigeria, why una go bring people? Una go bring what say they call themselves? Una go bring foreigners because they are foreigners come una land. And then they go employ una people, but they will pay una little. It's not done. Like for example in Europe, if a company wants to employ you, and then let me say now, a foreigners like my cosmetic studio now, you know, like if I employ a German, I must pay them according to the law, pay them well, and even before month end you have to pay the salary. But why in other countries it's done the other way around? You know, it's only, I heard it's only done like maybe owner of land, which is like now, which is like, let me see now, a German will employ foreigners and maybe don't pay them on time, but not a foreigner employ German and don't pay them on time. Who born you? You fit? Well, this one is happening in Nigeria, A foreigner will employ in Nigeria and don't even pay them. They even don't. Sometimes they don't even pay them. They don't have mouth to say anything. It's supposed to be the other way around, that Nigerian will employ foreigner and don't even pay them. Go say if you won't do anything, come up for Nigeria. That's what it's supposed to be. Now, wow, I bet government muna do something concerning this thing. I bet muna do something. Muna say as people come gather for food. Wait, before I even want to talk that one, I beg, I didn't know say this coronavirus where they can swear. The thing they cause trouble. Even myself, I not go lie you. But sometimes the only thing we just maybe they are peace more now. That period where women take the stay alone, you know that kind of thing. My mind go come down small. I'll consider small. If not with that one, more the bulala I don't say my own video na bulala media always they call. Una know that bulala thing na man and woman. The bulala ring no be small. This woman don't rock come out. She done the best. One jerry no hear that one. Wakasa no, but it's a prayer that they were prayers. Boza, one yo in a shop. One yo. He say she no dey bulala again o. The thing dey jayo. Ojo. Obi kadla bulala re. You know do bulala again. You no dey bulala. Yeah, that's for rule and no best. No find translation later. He say she no dey bulala. Hi. Imagine. Make una just hear small thing wey she talk for this place. You don't see am, Now you see what she did. Now you see what she talk. I say what? Why this true, Sha? This coronavirus time, this time where everybody takes the house, the thing here, no be small though. It did all pass, be careful. And then this people say, I won't get what I want to talk because I posted this in one of my videos when people just gather. As a gather,
look at what had come outside my gate. Like they're outside the gate. I went out. I just drove off to go get something from the supermarket, and then I came outside the gate.
And
look at what I saw.
Going out, throwing people things away. Can you guys just imagine? They are throwing people things away. Why some are sharing food? Why some are angry and hungry?
Like they say they are hungry.
Begging for food.
That they need food, they need help. Just look at. Just look at.
Please, we need Nigerians to become one again. But some people will say no, we can never become one. And if they won't share the country, maybe they share and share. Anyhow, I want to run, but make peace day. If they want share into for, if they like 7, they share into 200 and something. How many language you get? Let's say we get like 200 and something language. If they like me, they share and say make every language just they get their own. Go get their own country. Yoruba will get their own. Anyhow, I want to. I know yours concern me. So far, make the person will go they lead a party. If they want to do and state by state, so okay, each state now can become country on its own. They ni. Ìyẹn náà ò dẹ̀ tẹ̀ mí lára kò yín mí lára ìyẹn náà ó tiẹ̀ dá because then automatically governor of your state go dey take care of your own people then governor of Delta state go take care of your own people wọ́n dà wọ́n tí ó yin ọjí ìyàn mi tẹ́ bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó sì dá if na one do like that it's still better if you guys want to do it that way it's still perfect then hoish voted as so machen. Es ist auch kein Problem. May I speak? I don't know. If I speak too much language, I beg it. I don't tire for this show and I don't see everything. I bet if you guys never subscribe, if you guys have not subscribed, you know that kind of thing. Muna bounce. Subscribe. Here, all opinions are welcome. All comments are welcome. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notification from us each time we update new videos.